Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add widgets on your iPhone home screen to customize your device and access important info quickly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Now here, simply touch and hold on any empty space of the screen until you see apps start wiggling. This is called the jiggle mode. Now, once you see the interface like that, simply tap on the edit button which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now from the drop down menu, simply tap on the option Add Widget. And now here a pop-up menu will appear. In this menu you can scroll through the list and use the search bar to find a widget. And once you have found that, simply tap on it, and here you'll see different size options. So simply swipe left or right to preview them. And once you have picked the size, simply tap Add Widget and it will appear on your home screen. Now you can drag it to your preferred location, and to make space you can drag apps around or even place multiple widgets together for a widget stack. And once you are happy with the widget placement, simply tap done in the top right corner or simply tap anywhere on the screen to exit the jiggle mode. And that's it. That's how you can add widget on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.